So now let's take a look at how we can actually use this. So in our printer class, you remember we have this print method that we've been using to print copies quite a bit here. And we had modified this to be able to add a page number to the text to print. But let's do one more thing. Let's make our text to print also add to it the color from the cartridge. So I'm going to do text to print plus equal, and we're going to add basically what is in the cartridge. So I'm going to kind of format this so that we have a couple of bars here, and then we're going to do cartridge dot print color, and then we'll add a couple more bars here. So this is going to print before our message. We're adding this to our text to print. And let's make sure this is named correctly. So we'll call this text to print. So what's going to happen here now is it's going to print this. It's going to add the color of the cartridge before the page, before it prints it. So let's take a look at how this will work here. So in our example, we're going to call printer.loadPaper. We'll load 5 pages. We'll call printer.print, and we'll print 3 copies. And then we'll call printer.outputPage, and let's output page number 2 and see what happens here. So I'll run this, and you can see here we got my printer is on, and then we got blue, and then we got our page number. So based on the enumeration, it was able to figure out which text to print. So if we change this to red, then you can see it's now printing red. So this is a really useful thing. Let's take a look one more time at what we have done here. So we went into color cartridge, and in color cartridge we've associated this enumeration with some data. And this is a really important concept in Java programming. A lot of Java developers fail to realize that enumerations are so powerful, and they end up trying to basically map enumerations to data and creating all these messy data structures when you can put the data right into the enumeration. And we can call methods on that enumerated type.